here at another example of a simultaneous equation. We've got 5x plus 4y equals 32, 2x plus 3y equals 17. What we need to find to make this easier are common coefficients, which you'll notice we don't have here. For x's, we have 5x and 2x, and for the y's, we have 4y and 3y. We need to do something to make either the y's the same coefficient or the x's. I'm going to go with the x's here. To get the coefficients for the x's the same, I can times the top equation by 2 to make that 10x, and I can multiply the bottom equation by 5 to make the x 10x. So for the top one, if I multiply everything in that equation by 2, I now have 10x plus 8y equals 64. And for the bottom equation, if I multiply everything by 5, I have 10x plus 15y equals 85. Now for the x's, the coefficients are the same, which means I can subtract, which will help me to identify what the y's are. What you've probably noticed here is that we have a smaller number subtract a bigger number. It's often easier here, if that happens, to just swap them round. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put them back to the top of the page so that we've got a bit more room to work. So I've swapped them round. I now have 10x plus 15y equals 85, and I'm going to subtract 10x plus 8y equals 64. We subtract 10x from 10x, we have no x's, so we're just working with the y's. 15y subtract 8y, that's 7y. And 85 subtract 64, that's 21. That means that 7y equals 21. So what's one lot of y? 21 divided by 7, that's 3. So we know that y equals 3. Now we can substitute that 3 into one of the equations to help us work out what x is. So going back to the original equations, I always go for the one with the smallest numbers, just makes it easier. So for 2x plus 3y equals 17, that's 2x, and if y equals 3, then 3 lots of y, 3 lots of 3, that's 9. So it's 2x plus 9, and that equals 17. To work out what the x is, I need to take that y away from both sides of the equation. On the side with 2x, if I take that 9 away, I just have 2x. And on the other side of the equal sign, if I take 9 away from 17, I have 8. So now we know that 2x equals 8. What's one lot of x? Well, 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So in this instance, x equals 4 and y equals 3. And you can always test that you have the right numbers by putting them back into one or both of the equations. So I'm going to put them into both here, just to show you how it works. So here we have our two original equations, and if we remember that x equals 4, 5x is going to be 5 times 4, which is 20, and we're adding that to 4y, and if y is 3, then 4 times 3 is 12. 20 add 12, that's 32. To test it in the other one, we have 2x and x is 4. 2 lots of 4 is 8. And we're adding that to, if y is 3, 3 lots of 3 is 9. 8 add 9 is 17. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.